Did you guys call us? Did you guys call?
Yeah, we just showed she's trying to scam us with credit fake ID and credit card.
How?
What do you got? What's going on?
I don't have nothing. It's the card.
35 and 25 at all parties. What card do you have? Like, why do they think it's...
American Express and driver license. When I scanned it, it came out to different name and address.
Alright, let me take a look. What's your name? Ma'am? What's your name?
My name?
Your name? Emily? Emily what?
I know.
And this is your driver's license? Alright. Is the address on it correct? And what is that address?
The address upstairs is 77.
Okay. Okay. Why are they saying this isn't coming up? What's going on?
I have no idea.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
The 20th of 97 of this month.
Okay. Do you have any other driver's license in any other states?
No.
Alright, just give me a moment to try to figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
So can I leave?
Nope.
'Cause I have, like,
No, you can't. You're
Uber.
being detained right now.
Okay, well, I have an Uber waiting for me outside.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
What does that mean?
That means you are not free to go anywhere. Okay? 35 clear too?
Can I talk to you guys? You good for a second?
Can you run me a Connecticut DL?
Hey, how's it going, guys? So what's going on? Yeah.
Don't remember, but you're...
Okay, I'll take a look at it. You don't remember what state it was out of, anything like that? You said it looked like her, but when you ran it, the address was different?
Address and name was different. When I scanned it, the
Okay.
barcode on the back.
Okay. All right, let me go take a look at it. Yep.
So, for example, what is in our system, Kimberly Harrison,
Mm-hmm.
and the ID itself, Miranda, which matching the card,
Okay.
and completely different address, and
Okay.
the IDs look weird.
Okay, let me take a look at it. Was this the watch that she was supposed to be buying here?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Ma'am, can you stay off your phone, please?
Okay, well, I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's that?
I'm letting somebody know the situation.
What's the situation though?
The situation.
What's that?
Cops.
Cops what?
I don't know.
I told her she's detained right now. The DL's not coming back as anything.
Okay. So, ma'am, stay off your phone, okay?
All right. I need you to just have a seat over here, and I need to read something to you before we talk to you. I'm asking you questions so I can figure out what's going on, because I can't just come into a situation and arrest you, right?
Right.
Okay. So, can I see those? Okay, so you came in and you presented these two things to them, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any documentation that has your right information on it?
No.
Okay. And who is this on the driver's license?
That's me.
This is you?
That's,
Okay. So you're telling me that your name is Emily?
It was an arrestable offense.
so do you say that, I'm sorry, do you say that it was unarrestable or not arrestable?
It is. Alright, so we're getting somebody with a fingerprint scanner to come get your real ID. Unless you want to tell it to me. That would make it so much easier on all of us. And you'd be cooperative, which would be much better for you.
Right. Well, can I send a text message?
Nope. Here, we'll go ahead and take that then.
Actually, no.
Well, you're being detained.
All right.
And we already asked you don't be on your phone.
I'm not on my phone. I
You just said,
asked
can you send text messages? I said no.
Okay, and
Alright,
did I
so let's
say-
not pick up your phone.
Did you see some text message or didn't?
Which one's your Uber outside waiting for you?
I mean, if I'm not gonna take it, then does it really matter?
Sure it does. I'll let him know.
I'm pretty sure he's already gone.
Okay.
So is that the story you're sticking with? That this is your real ID, this is your real name, this is your real date of birth? Yes?
I actually don't have nothing else to say.
You don't have nothing else to say?
No.
Okay. All right, just hold that for a second. Stand up for me for a second. You're just being detained as of right now. I'm just going to put you in handcuffs, okay? All right, just have a seat for a second until the other officer gets here, okay?
Hey, are you Uber by any chance?
Yes.
Who are you waiting for?
Lena.
What's her name?
Tofik.
Long dark hair?
Oh, the girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lena.
Okay, what's the name you have for her? Here, write it down. Oh, Lena, do you have like her first and last name or her?
Uber
Take
just
a look at the 1017
if
and
you want
42
to know
zone.
the way though.
Yeah, who does she Yeah, give me all the info you have if you don't mind.
Lena.
Lena A. Where'd she come from? Where'd you pick her up at? Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just picking her up.
Yeah.
Okay,
just
okay.
picking her up, yeah. There's some problem?
Yeah, she's not going to be coming with you. She'll be coming with us. All right, so I don't know how you go about that fare. Get out of here. Go pick up some more fares. Make some more money. All right, thank you.
Exercise your rights, but I'm just saying you already have a fraudulent ID here, so it's already going to be an arrest.
Probably credit card too.
Yeah, I mean, that's not telling this is the start of it. And when the fingerprint scanner gets here and the fingerprint, you will figure out who you are and then we'll go from there. Okay? Sounds all right? Does it come back with photo ID? Where's it for battery by Lakeshore? Let's see. Lady deal number, your bag, tattoo in the left hand.
I don't know which way left is. No, that's right. No, that's left. Yeah.
So do you have anything that's going to poke us, stick us, or anything like that that we need to know about? You are under arrest, stand up.
Earring, belly button piercing, anything else? No other piercings?
I'll get those piercings out in booking.
Yeah. I'll look it up there. I'll look it down there.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
This incident begins when police are called to a pawn shop after a woman tries to buy a $12,300 Rolex using suspicious documents. At first, she claims everything is normal and says her name is Emily, but when the store scans her ID, it shows a completely different name and address. Officers quickly realize something isn't adding up. When questioned, she struggles to confirm basic details like her own date of birth, making the situation even more suspicious. Despite being detained, she sticks to her story and refuses to provide any real identification. Police then bring in a fingerprint scanner, and that's when the truth comes out. Her real identity is completely different from the one on the fake ID. At that point, officers place her under arrest. She's charged with using a fraudulent credit card, possessing a fake driver's license, and giving a false name to police. What looked like a simple luxury purchase quickly turned into a serious criminal case.
Pulled up here, kind of real belligerent type thing, got out. Her radio was blaring loud. I said, ma'am, do you really need to have that loud? She goes, you're a racist bastard. I said, there ain't nothing racist about me. I said, you're just disturbing everybody's peace. She goes, everybody here loves me. They don't care if I play it loud, quiet, or whatever. I said, there ain't no need for you to act that way. And your dispatcher heard her yelling and screaming at me. The only reason I called, she said, I'm going to put you on social media. You're a racist bastard.
Let's stay over there. I'll talk to you over there.
I'm going to go change my clothes. I got to meet my son at his college.
Let's walk up here so we're away from
They can show you their camera. Gentlemen,
Hey,
they
listen.
pulled off, he was waiting.
Let's walk up here and talk so we're away from him because it'll probably upset him.
I'm not, believe me, I don't know what else couldn't upset him.
So what happened?
So I've been parked here for the past few hours because I was parked over there because I'm going to see my son at college. This black, my sister.
This Mercedes here?
Yeah, my sister's in there as well. So we were literally parked, pulled over to the gas station. My sister opens her car door. She's on the driver's side. I get out the car as well. He was already done pumping. The door opens. We have R&B music playing, not even loud. We come here all the time. They know. They were just in there like, what? They say he came in irate already. He has standing in his car door and goes, turn that shit off now. You're disturbing my peace. I said, excuse me? I said, I'm not even doing anything to you. What are you talking about? He goes, he was following me. As you can see, I'm on my side.
Can I hold it?
Yes, sir. He's telling me to just turn off my music that's not even loud. As you can hear in the video, the music is not even loud. It was very low. We opened the door and he heard the music and he started saying, turn that shit off now. You're disturbing my peace. The guy just left that wanted to report to you guys, and they all know me, and they're like, he came in here mad this morning.
Okay, so when did anything physical happen?
It never happened. We
There
didn't.
was
No
never any
physical.
physical?
They were in there like physical. You didn't even touch him. Everyone standing outside like, sir. He
So
was on the
after
phone.
you-
He said, she hit me. Hurry up and get here. I was recording him. Hold on, I was still recording him. I said, hit you where? The
Yeah.
next video, I said, hit you where?
And
She ever known to cause any issues in the past?
no, never.
Okay.
She goes to see her son. She changes in our bathroom.
Yeah. Okay.
Gets ready.
Did you either of you guys see anything that happened out here?
We were busy doing stuff in
Okay.
here. We do have our manager on the way to show you guys the cameras.
So the cameras do work. Will it show that
It
part
should.
of it? Okay. Do you know how far out your manager is?
He's on his way right now, right?
yeah,
He
he
lives
said
in
that's on-
Benton.
He lives in Benton?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he should probably be here maybe 15 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This one he was talking to you guys.
Sir, you are a racist. You are a racist.
Is that where he said you hit him?
Yeah, he said I hit him.
Play that back.
He's gonna say I hit him. He's gonna start saying I hit him. He says all types of stuff.
So they're in my car.
Do you know me? Oh.
You are a racist. You are a racist.
I literally was recording him the
Very
whole
much
time when he
so.
called the police.
Oh, they love me here, so they'll know that you're lying.
Will you run him too, please?
So I talked to them. They said exactly what you said. You come in
Yeah.
all the time on the way to see your son. You don't ever cause any problems. The manager is on his way here, and he's going to.
He's gonna see up there that I never touched that man.
Can I get your first name, please?
See, that's when he tried to approach me. I told him get away from my vehicle, and he starts telling them I hit him.
Can I get your first name,
Yes, Sheba.
Oh, okay, take this.
He lied.
please? You need me?
He lied. He got it. He got it. It's on it.
Stay right here.
Yep.
Okay.
He lied.
She never put her hands on you. Show me the video that she
grabbed my arm.
I've got a video of her standing 10 feet from you, and you go, "Oh, she just put her hands on me." There's a video right there of her being 10 feet away from you, and you telling my dispatcher that she just grabbed you.
She did grab my arm.
If you don't have proof of that on your phone, you are under arrest.
For what?
That is a false report. That is a false. You
She
false
grabbed my
reported a
arm.
battery.
No, she grabbed my arm, sir.
There's a video of you saying that, and she's nowhere near you.
See, I'll forward it. Fast forward. She grabbed my arm.
You better have a video of her
No,
grabbing your arm.
the video.
Do you have a video of her grabbing your arm? Yes,
No,
ma'am.
I don't.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Give me a thing. Until I get a video from inside, you're being detained.
Okay. You don't have to. I'm not going to go anywhere.
I don't care.
Okay, I understand, sir.
Go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A false report is a crime. You do realize that,
sir. I know that, and I'm not. I did not.
She was 10 feet away from you.
No, she wasn't, sir.
Here's what I need you to realize. Me and him drove here at 100 miles an hour because we
understand
thought
that.
you were in danger. And there's cars flying past us, and we're going in and out of
I
traffic.
understand
Told there's a battery, man. That's why we came out here.
I put my life in danger for something that wasn't real.
Yeah,
Get your butt in the car.
She grabbed my
Get
arm,
your butt
sir.
in the car.
She grabbed my arm, my left arm.
Hey, the manager's here. His phone is on the thing right there. Are you the manager? Okay. Can you pull the cameras up for me?
After the LP, you know how they are.
What's that?
Corporate wise, I have to put a ticket in for them to show you all the cameras.
You have to put a ticket in for it? Okay.
I just need a card if you have a card.
Yeah, let me go grab one out of my car and I'll bring it back to you, okay? So, what's going on right now? He's currently...
I tried to warn him beforehand. I said, you're going to call. I said it on the video. I said, you're going to call and you're going to go to jail. You're making a false report. You're telling him I touched you. I did not touch you. I said, you're steady walking up to me and I'm recording you. I don't know what made him even get out of his car to say something to me. I was like, sir, get the hell away from me. Like, I don't even know you.
Some people just have bad days.
It was one of those days, and then one of the guys came from back in the truck driver. He looks at him and he goes, he's a Caucasian guy. He goes, you can tell he's a racist. He said, look what he's saying outside to her. He's a racist. He said, look at the stuff he's saying. The girl is not even bothering him.
Well, this is what got him.
And they said, hurry, she's out here. She hit me. She hit me. I'm like, hit you? Sir, I'm recording you. I'm looking at you. You're going to go to jail. You're making a false report.
He'll go to jail. He'll be out in about 20, 30 minutes after he gets there, but he'll get himself a court date.
Oh, absolutely. And I guess he'll learn to leave people alone as well when you see them, especially if they're not bothering.
You're free. Go
Okay,
now.
thank you.
I'm going to see if he cares if we move his vehicle, and then I'm taking you to the car.
All right, I'll get me.
Sir, where would you like me to move your vehicle?
Can I step out here for a minute?
No, sir.
Will you look at the store footage, please?
There's no way to get it for right now. Where do you want me to move your vehicle? You want me to just pull it right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, sit back. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Did you see the video?
Yeah.
She's 10 feet away from him. She's trying to hit me.
Well, I think he thought all the thin blue line stuff was gonna. Well. Yeah.
Police were called to a gas station after a man reported that a woman had attacked him. When officers arrived, the man claimed the woman grabbed his arm after he told her to turn down her music. He said she was loud, rude, and even called him racist. But when officers spoke to the woman, her story was very different. She said she was just playing music at a normal level when the man suddenly got aggressive, yelled at her, and followed her. She started recording him because she felt unsafe. As officers reviewed the video, they quickly noticed something important. The woman was standing several feet away when the man claimed she touched him. There was no proof of any physical contact. Realizing the report was false, officers confronted the man. He couldn't provide any evidence to support his claim. In the end, instead of the woman getting in trouble, the man was detained and charged for filing a false report and disorderly conduct. What started as a complaint about loud music ended with the man facing serious consequences for not telling the truth. If you guys enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button and gives a thumbs up for this video and share your thoughts in comments.